Hi, my name is Frank Mills. I'm the Executive Chef for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Holdings. Many restaurants, bars, and pubs have been closed due to the rules and regulations of the pandemic. Today we're going to show you how simply you can meet those requirements to reopen and serve basic foods using the Star Panini Sandwich Grill. We're going to do sliders today. And if you've seen some of the previous videos, you've seen how we can cook pre-cooked hamburger and pre-cooked veggie burger on the panini grill, and then that can be converted to sliders. But today, we're going to do fresh ground beef into slider. And here we have an 80-20 mix. And we're going to take about 10 ounces. And what we're going to do is, with the slider, rolls, and we use 6, this happens to be King's Hawaiian. We're going to use 6 rolls, so I'm going to figure laying the beef out just for a framework into this pan, and I'll show you why in just a second. So we flatten it down, and we're going to form it in a square as best possible. It doesn't have to be perfectly even. Just like to keep it square. And we'll flatten it out just a little bit more. Now we're going to put this on the grill, and I'll show you the steps on why we've done it this way. Okay? So what we've got now is a square flat burger, basically. And we'll put it onto the panini, and we're going to cook it for about 4 minutes. We'll check it at 4 and make sure we're at 165 or above. Okay, before we put the burger on the panini, I'm going to put a little bit of oil, and I'm using standard olive oil on both sides just to make sure that everything is well oiled and nothing sticks. So we've got that set. Now I have the burger and the square burger that I did. I'm going to slide this right off. I'm going to square it up a little bit while I have it here. Make sure everything's nice and square. And you'll see why in just a minute. Okay, so we've got that burger on. We're going to close on the top. And now I'll show you what we do with the roll. What we're going to do is we've got a 6-piece roll. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut right through the center of this roll. And we're going to take it and set it right in the pan and remove the tops. And when we pull that burger off, we're going to set it right on this 6-piece. And you'll notice that's why we did it in square. 6 pieces, and then we'll set the tops. Now, I would dress the burger first. It would be a great idea. And I'm going to do this with all-American orange cheese. It's something that I've liked forever. And I know it isn't gourmet, but I tell you what, there's something great about regular American cheese. And nicely, it cuts into a nice square that just fits beautifully on this. And I like to put a couple of slices on here. Look at how neat that is. Simple to do, straight down, fits perfectly, no mess, no worry about size or shape. It's just perfect for this type of burger. Okay, so we've set it. The burger's cooking along very nicely. There we go. So we've almost halfway through the dress. Now, you can dress it any way you like it, obviously, or you can serve it on the side. But with this one, I'm just going to put a touch of mustard. And that will spread nicely when the hot burger goes on top of it. Beautiful. And you can get creative with this. A little bit of freshly chopped tomato. I'll put tomato on a couple of them. Nice thing about it is you can make this a party type appetizer or a single serve for a meal. And I'm going to put some sweet Italian peppers on 3. And you don't want to put a lot on. You don't really need a lot. It's a simple burger. And you've got nice little taste there. And everybody loves sliders. So now we'll wait for the burger to get ready. Okay, so we're going to push this timer. And now we've got the burger up. And I'm going to move the roll to this spot. And I'm going to set the burger right on top of those beautiful little rolls. And before we leave, we'll give this a little scrape so we're ready for the next cook. And pull all of the liquids off and down into the drain. Okay. Now we've dressed the burger the way we wanted it. It's nice and square. Now I'm going to do one more thing because I happen to like chipotle. And I'm going to take a little chipotle right across the top. And this will add a very interesting and nice flavor to the burger. And now, with your knife, line up with the roll. Cut straight down and then across so that each one gets its own roll. There we go. And we'll take the tops and set the tops over, square them up to the burgers. There we have a beautiful 6-pack of sliders.